Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the defrost timer on your refrigerator. It's a pretty easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Let me show you how we do it. The first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power to the refrigerator. Simply pull the plug from the socket. Now on this model, the defrost timer is located in behind the kick panel. Simply pop that off. Set it aside. It's located in this area here. It's held in place with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. Remove those first. Lift the defrost timer and the cover plate out. Pull it out far enough to disconnect the plug. There are two more 1/4-inch screws that hold the defrost timer to this cover plate. So we line up the new timer with the cover plate. And reinstall the two mounting screws. We'll take the dial and rotate it clockwise until we hear a sharp click. That's the beginning of the defrost cycle, so we'll start the unit out at that point. Reconnect the wire harness. Sure the wire harness is not wrapped around the bracket. Next we'll reinstall the kick plate. Simply snap it in place. And our repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.